Hi guys, another emergency video. There's a severe thunderstorm here. Ooh, I'm out of breath. There are high winds. I had a red screen on my TV. So it's got to be a severe thunderstorm. There are mosquitoes everywhere. Anyways, if you didn't see the UEFA World I can't say it because I'm out of breath. Okay, wait. Oh, guys. I'm out of breath. Okay, so UEFA Championship for Europe. The winners were Portugal. You might already know if you're a Portugal fan, but so my sister's here again. She's making a baby Portugal. My sister always wants to be in my videos, so I'm gonna make her a YouTube channel when she's old enough. Like maybe when when she's 7 or 6. Because I started when I was like 7 or 6. I don't know. But anyways, I have a few videos that are really old and I forgot to upload them. I wish I could show you. I could do a re-upload or something. Yeah, I could upload those videos saying an old video. Or I could do a reaction or something. I'll think about it. Anyways, you can look at a glance of the storm. Also, yesterday, oh, my dad is home. He's coming from a car. Oh, that's perfect timing. My dad's car is stopped. Wait. You can see my dad's car. If you wait. My dad's car.
Papa's coming.
Okay, see my dad's car. And you'll see it come right here. Look. There you go. The garage opened. My dad is home. There you go. So I'm going to end this video here because my dad has arrived. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Bye.